Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm demonstrating how to make Nutella Cheesecake Bars. These bars are rich, creamy, and incredibly easy to make. A swirled Nutella filling sits on top of a buttery graham cracker crust, creating the ultimate no-fuss dessert. So let's get started. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Once that's combined, pour in 6 tablespoons of melted butter and stir everything together until it looks like damp sand. Next, grab an 8-inch square baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Let the paper hang over the edges a bit. Those extra flaps make it easy to lift the cheesecake bars out once they're baked. Now pour the graham cracker mixture into the pan. Use your hands to gently press it into an even layer. Bake the crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Then set aside to cool while you get the filling ready. To make the cheesecake filling, place 2 cups of softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Using the paddle attachment, mix until it's smooth, creamy, and lump-free. Once the cream cheese is mixed, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to the bowl and mix on medium speed until fully incorporated. This should take about 2 minutes. Add 2 room temperature eggs to the bowl and mix until fully incorporated. Be sure to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Pour the cheesecake batter over the graham cracker crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula. Warm up 1/2 cup of Nutella slightly in the microwave. Make sure it's not piping hot. Drizzle the Nutella over the cheesecake batter. Use a dinner knife or chopstick to create random swirls through the Nutella. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. The edges will be set, but the center should still jiggle slightly when you shake the pan. After baking, place the pan on a wire rack and let it cool for an hour. Then transfer to your refrigerator for 2 hours before serving so it can fully set. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.